I'm Agustin Jimenez. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. In this SOLIDWORKS tips and tricks video, we'll be looking at PathMate. Here we have an assembly file with a model of a drone that is following a path going through these two openings in the wall model. Let's dive into how this is done. The assembly file has a 3D sketch which is used as the path. The drone model has a sketch point. PathMate is in the Mate command under the Advanced tab. For mate selections, we have component vertex, which in our example is a sketch point on the drone. For path selection, select a continuous curve, edge, or sketch, which in our case is a 3D sketch spline. PathMate has three available options. Path constraint can be set to free or distance along path that constrains the vertex to a specified distance from the end of the path. Percent along path constrains the vertex to a distance specified as a percentage along the path. Pitch and yaw control can be set to free or follow path, which constrains one axis of the component tangent to the path. Roll control can be set to free as well, or up vector constraining one axis of the component to align with the vector you selected. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe and leave us a comment below if you have a topic you would like us to cover in a future video. Visit our website GoEngineer.com for access to our personal training, upcoming events, and more from your #1 online technical resource. Bye for now.